Hello and welcome everyone. Today is our class number 4, which is we're gonna start from class 3 and we're gonna gonna practice with rectangle, polygon, circle, arc, ellipse, break, join and chamfer. Now if you are new here, please try to find the first video, class 1, and watch it. If you go to the description of the first video, you're gonna find my website address. You can go there, visit there, and you can see what I do, and you're gonna have some primary idea about what you can learn from me, and you can download the instruction step-by-step instruction guide from there, and we're gonna practice according that guide. Okay, and end of this like 10 videos, I'm gonna start with the project wise, and it's gonna be continue. So let's do it. Here is class 3. I'm going to open, go to click on file, then going to click open, okay, so here it is in my D drive, AutoCAD 2021, then class 3. Here is class 3. Now if you watched my last video on class 3, I believe you remember. So this is how and the end of the class 3. Now I'm gonna make it as save as. So Control Shift S, click on, like I'm going just one step back. So here is class 3. I'm gonna create a folder here, class 4, and then save this one as a class 4. So I'm doing save as you know. This is the link. You can see in your computer gonna be maybe a little different, but just I'm showing. So now I'm gonna press Control S, so the link gonna go away, only class 4 gonna show up. I'm gonna delete, Control A, and delete everything whatever on the screen, and let's start drawing rectangle. So REC, enter, click. This is a rectangle. If you touch it, you can feel it. Then again, just press enter. Command going to repeat, but I'm gonna press escape. So we're gonna start like together. REC, enter, then click, and then go click here. So this is how you can draw a rectangle. Now with the dimension, drawing a rectangle a little difficult. So let me show one more. REC, enter, click, and drag your cursor like crosswise. And don't go this way, don't go this way, go like 45-degree angle. So and click here. Here it is. So if you're a little confused with your cursor and those like rectangles, you can go always there, make a different color. Let's make it yellow or golden yellow. So REC, enter, now click, and you can see the different color. Here you go. So let's draw one with dimension, so we're gonna know how many things we need to do. Draw with the dimension one. REC, enter, click, D, enter, then first size, which is gonna be like the length, let's say 3 feet, enter, and the second one make it like the height is, make it 2 feet, enter. Then I'm gonna click on my mouse. I have to click. If I press enter, it's not gonna go away. If I press escape, it's gonna get out. So you're not gonna get your rectangle. Now if you touch it and select it first, I'm just pressing escape, select it, touch it on the corner, you can see 3 feet by 2 feet. So this is how your rectangle with dimension. Alright, now we're gonna draw a rectangle with the full command, and I want you to write it down. Actually draw it. I am about to paste it. Control V here. This is how it's look like, and you just write it down. This is the symbol of enter button. If you look at your keyboard, the enter button is look like this. So the REC, enter, then click, then just drag your mouse, then press D from keyboard, then first dimension, then second dimension, then click, and all the enters inside. So it's look too much, but when we do it, it's not too much. We're gonna practice one. REC, enter, click, drag, and then D, enter, then 3 feet, enter, then 5 feet, enter, and just a click anywhere. Doesn't matter on the location of clicks. So look, the first dimension is 3 feet, and second dimension is 5. So if I click this one, click to select, and then just hold your cursor on the corner, go here. Oh boy. Okay, so now you can see below, and you can see on the right side 5 feet and 3 feet. Exactly, if you follow like this command, you're never gonna miss. But if you forget to click on the end, then you are in trouble. It took little time for me to understand, so hopefully you're gonna get it. I'm just gonna drag it on the little top and keep it there. And let's draw another one. REC, enter, click, drag, D, enter. Let's say 2 feet, enter. Let's say 5 feet, enter, click. So let's draw one more. REC, enter, click, D, enter. Let's draw it like 5 feet, enter, 2 feet, enter, click. So if you touch it, click and touch, 5 and 2. First dimension always coming like on the length, like below, and second dimension going to be height. This is how you draw a rectangle. Also you can draw a rectangle with a line and polyline. Let's draw with a line. L, enter, click, then like 2 feet, enter, go down, 2 feet, enter, go left, 2 feet, enter, press C, enter. It's gonna close, but it's separate, see, individual. Another one with polyline, PL, enter, click, then 3 feet, enter, 2 feet, enter, 3 feet, enter, C, enter. So this one gonna be look like a rectangle, but it is drawn by polyline. Now we have some prior idea with line and polyline. Now today we did rectangle with dimension also. This is the command, you can write it down. And after that we're gonna practice now polygon. So what is polygon? Let me draw one so we can easily like discuss about it. Polygon command is POL, enter. You can like I'm gonna draw a pentagon. So it's a 5-side object, 5. So it's asking how many sides you want. I want 5, enter. Then when I'm gonna click, you ask you want like there are 2 options. So inscribed and circumscribed. So it's like you want to like draw it look like a circle, more circle, or look like a shape wise. So don't worry, those are not like important right now. I'm just gonna go with whatever is selected. Click, I mean just click it and draw it like this. So this is like pentagon. How many sides do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sides. Now we're gonna draw another one with 6 sides, which is gonna be hexagon. So it's gonna be POL, enter. Then side asking, press 6 from the keyboard, enter. Then you click, then you just press enter or click, and then look, if you go down, the shape on the top and bottom being like a V and like a reverse V. But if you go sidewise, it's gonna be look like a little more circular. So this is the thing they are like the after the command it was asking like if you want inscribed or circumscribed. So click here, this is your hexagon. Let me leave it there. Now I'm gonna draw another one with 8 sides, gonna be octagon. So POL, enter, and how many sides I want? 8, enter, click, enter, and just draw it like this. So I'm gonna draw, you go right, left, top, it's gonna be the same shape because it's like hexagon. Now I mean it's octagon, not hexagon. Okay, so this was another one. You can like right now I'm not just showing for fun. You can like make it bigger, make it smaller, make it more like beautiful or more ugly. A lot of things you can do. So that was polygon. How many side you want? If you want 100 of side, you can just draw it. So after that, okay, on this point, just I remember why you need 100 side. For example, if you maybe you have a question, you might see some buildings shaped like this. REC, enter. I'm just drawing a like rectangle, and then they have their front glass like this. Glass, you can bend glass, but bending glass, like 95% time no one place bend glass front of a tallest building or like even 2-3 floor. So what kind of glass use there? On like this situation, people use the octagon type of shapes. So it's actually like shape wise, but you're not gonna know. Let me draw one. So I'm clicking this one to get this center point, to see where is the center point. So I'm gonna press C from the keyboard, enter. Don't worry for the C now. And so this is the center point of this one. Now command POL, enter. I'm gonna put like 90 sides. I want 90 side, enter. Click here, go to select C, and then go there and click. Now if you look at this, I'm gonna draw delete the small one, the first one I draw, delete. Then I'm gonna take out this one. So if I take it a little down, so now if you look at this one, this is not a circle, this is like shape wise. If you want to see the shape, it's like this. Look, if I draw a line here, okay, my F8 need to turn on. F8 is on. L, see, those are shapes. So now if you draw a rectangle here, from this corner to go this way, you see where is it is going? It's going, if you make it straight, it's going this way like this. So this one on the center is straight, but all other are not. It's like shape wise. So if you have a like top building and front is all glass you're gonna place, so those are gonna be shape wise. Then you can fit your glass and like piece, one piece here and one piece there, and you can use door and window in between. I think you should call Formula Betty once and try to talk to them and see if she can get something, because I mean, look, they did not send me any letter or anything yet. I'm hoping. I already sent them an email, no response. Let's see, and let's talk about Mulabati and see if they can consider anything. So now you know how and where you can use a polygon to make some awesome looking jobs. So that was polygon. Now we're gonna go on with circle. So circle is a very simple shape. You're gonna just press C from the keyboard, that's the command, enter, click, drag, click, that's it. So if you want to draw a circle, C, enter, click, drag, click, C, enter, click, drag. You can, if you press escape, it's gonna get out. So because it's not complete yet. So C, enter, click, and go anywhere, and you can press enter, but better if you make click. Alright, so now we know how to draw rectangle, polygon and circle. C, enter, click, and just go anywhere you want and click. But if you want dimension, you can place dimension for like, let's say 3 feet, which is gonna be your diameter. So this one, if you click here and hold your cursor here, it's gonna show you the 3 feet from the center to the side. See? Now you can check your dimension with 3 different type of tools. So these 3 of them, if I'm gonna show you on my like toolbar here. The first one is linear, this one is align, and this is the one for the diameter. If you want to use command like me, so what are you gonna do? DLI, enter, click and click. This is for the straight line, like this line or like this line, this way or this way. But if you go to this, come to this polygon, let's say DLI, enter, click here, and click here. Now if you press enter again, repeat command, click here and click here, you see this is not the like real dimension. This one 3 feet 7 and 5/8, and this one 3 feet 5 and a half, and this is not the dimension. So I'm going to delete it, select it, press delete from keyboard, and it's going to be DIMA command for dim align, enter, click here, and then click here. See, this dimension and this dimension are same. So this is how you have two type of dimension. I just used one dim liner, another one dim align. Now we're gonna go on the circle, which is this one, diameter. You can click the diameter and click here and click here, it's gonna be there. But if you want to use command, it's gonna be DIMD and enter. Click the circle and go here anywhere you want. Again DIMD, enter, click, get out, like outside. So this is how you can like use command if you want. Let me write it down for you. So let's say DLI, this is one, DIMA and DIMD. I know it's like 4 letter and enter is too much, but get used to it. And you know, it's feel like okay, you know few things. When you click on like tools, sometime if you lost the toolbar, and you know something funny, sometime you go to a company for a job and they're gonna hide the toolbars and give you the AutoCAD. Okay, draw something and show me. What? Where is the tools? Say, do you need tools? Oh my god. And you guys might be like seeing this place. You see there are 3 toolbar. I just you might see like, hey, where is this toolbar came from? I was working on a 3D project, and I need this 3 toolbar for that 3D, so I brought it here. It's very easy. You can right click here, and this one orbit, and then render, and then visual style. These 3 I mean toolbar I brought here. Okay, so there was our circle done. Now I'm gonna draw arc. Arc is nice, little complicated, but very helpful. So let's draw arc. The command is A only. A, enter, click. So this is the first point. So you can click on this last point directly, and you can like pull your cursor down or pull your cursor up. So you're gonna get an arc. Now again, C, enter, click. Oh no. A, enter, click, then go drag on right side, click, go down, and here. So let's draw a line, just a line, escape, and I'm gonna draw two arc, one up and one down. A, enter, click here, click the center point, go down and click. Again press A, enter, click here, go up, click. So here you go. This is an arc, this is an arc. Now if you want to see what you can do with the arc, look, A, enter, click here, F8. So let's say I'm drawing something like a project. See, all these things you can draw with your arc. And click here, A, enter, so if you just draw like something like this, you can just mirror it, make it like lot of things you can make, and it's certain way gonna look nice and beautiful. I don't know why I'm drawing this. Just want to show you like it's very like nice platform. You can work whole day, you're not gonna get bored. So those extra lines you can take them out, and here you go. This is too much, little bring it in, click here, this one little too much, bring it in. So it look like a, you know, a shape, a flower, and you can do a lot of things with the arc is very helpful. So now you know how to draw an arc. Another one, let me show you. So this was like click, first point, click, last point, then you gonna move your cursor to get third point. But sometimes you need to draw like this: A, enter, click, click, and then click. See, like this: A, enter, click, then click, then click, then A, enter, click, click, and click. So you just need to practice on it and write it down. The command is very easy, A only. Now we're gonna go move on ellipse. I don't want to make this video too long. I don't know, my videos become more than half an hour. I try to keep it less than half an hour. Okay, now ellipse is helpful also. El, the command is El, enter. You can click here, press F8 for now, so it's gonna go straight. Click anywhere, and then you push it down, push it up. So circle, you can't make a shape like egg, but ellipse is for, you can make it like egg shape or some other shape. So now you can click on this one, you can play with this. See, you can make it look like exact like a circle also. It's possible. So look, almost like a circle, but if you draw a circle and then play with this one next to the circle, is gonna sit on the circle exactly. Okay, so El, enter, click here, go down, no, let's go up, click and push, like just move your cursor, you're gonna see the changes. Escape. Now I'm gonna draw another one like a corner shape wise. So let's say, actually let's draw a couple of them. El, enter, click, click, make it small like this, then enter, click here, go down, click and make it like this, then enter, click here and press F8, so it's gonna go like 45-degree angle, click, squeeze, enter, click here, and then squeeze. So this is how you can always draw things with ellipse, and you can do with arc. Now we're gonna practice in the next tool called break. So break is like, let's say those ellipse are like nice and smooth, but you wanna take you wanna make some opening here, or all of them you want to open like here something. So the command is BR, enter. So click here, go a little bit, and if you see the green one is highlighting, just press F3, so it's gonna hide, and click here. So press enter. Okay, no, let's command. The command is BR, enter. So click here, and then I'm going here. You see this line is like kind of being dark gray, so this means it's gonna go away. So I'm gonna align with this side and click. So you see, this is gone, but it's still showing like, hey, here was the line. Now I'm gonna make a open on the circle. So BR, enter, click here, so it's gone. Now I'm gonna go open few of the rectangle, so it's gonna be BR, enter, click here, and oh, it's the line one, that's why not going. Click here, and see, this is line, the separate one. So BR, enter, click here, and then click here. This corner is gone. So this is how you can play with all these tools. Now I'm gonna join them. So let's say this one was draw by line, right? Now I'm gonna draw another one here. L, enter, click, F8, doesn't matter. So let's draw like a stair, something look like a stair. So I'm gonna press F8, and no dimension necessary. And let's say here, escape. So you see, these are all lines. I draw with lines, remember, not polyline. Now I want to join them into one line. So the command is I think we did poly edit. did we do poly edit? Yes, you can do with poly edit, but poly edit sometimes like take a little bit time, and but you need both. Poly edit, most of the time I do poly edit, but join also you can do. It's time saving. So the command is J, enter, and just windowing select all of them, enter. So it's now one line. See, escape, Control Z. So this all separate, right? Let's make it different color. So like red. So now join them, J, enter. So windowing select all of them, enter. Here you go, one piece. But it's not joined because I did not draw it as a like a shape. But if you want, you can click it here, click here, drag it here, drag here to there, and press F3 if the point is not selecting. So here you go, your break and join is done. Now chamfer. Chamfer is the fun one. So when you draw something like any kind of shape you have except like round, you can like make chamfer. What is chamfer? You need to take a look. CHA, the command is CHA, enter. I'm gonna press D from keyboard for dimension, enter. So first dimension gonna be let's say 12, 1 feet. The second dimension automatically to 12 is selected. I'm gonna go with enter. Like let's try both sides, same. Click here, click here. You see, Control Z, how the shape was, and Control Y for redo. So look at this. Now if we do another chamfer, CHA, enter, D, enter. Let's make it like 2 feet by 1 feet. So first one is 2 feet, enter, and second one gonna be 1 feet, enter. So if we click on this line first, from this corner we're gonna go take away like 2 feet this way, and if we click on this one gonna go any line we click fast. This is the fast dimension we provided. So let's take 2 feet from here and 1 feet from there. So click here and click there. See, 2 feet and 1 feet. Now CHA, enter, D, enter. Let's make it like 15, enter, 15, enter. So click here and click here. So 15 inch from the corner is pushed inside. This is chamfer. Let's try one more. Let's try here. So CHA, enter, D, enter. Let's make it 6 inch, enter. 6 actually they are selected, enter. So I'm gonna click on this one and then this one, enter. To repeat the command, click here, click there, enter. 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 Click enter. Click here, click there, enter. Click here, click there. So this is how chamfer you need. Sometime we need to do chamfer, but not too many time we can use it, or like so many time we use now, but we use it. So right now we learned about these tools, and I want you guys need to practice. If you do not practice, you're gonna forget it. And trust me, if you like stay with me, follow me, and if you have question, ask me, I'll answer them. And trust me, within like 6 months you're gonna be a completely professional. When you work with projects with me, those gonna be like real projects I did for companies, and they pay me a lot of money for it. So now when you learn about it and learn that one, you're gonna go and you can work in a company. And before you go, you need to like contact with me. I'll give you some guidelines. And that's all for today, guys. You have a wonderful day or night wherever you are. Enjoy your life, do what you like to do, and stay safe. Do not break any law. Have a wonderful time, guys. Goodbye for now. I'm just gonna save the file. So Control S from the keyboard, boom, here you go. Bye bye.